Here are the three beautiful ladies. They're very famous, but I forgot the story. And here is a beautiful paloma. Oh, la paloma negra. Da, 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 da. No, gracias, amigo. Oh, you ven a la playa. Gracias. You ven aquí. Gracias. No, you ven aquí. Everybody's offering me taxi here, and but I just arrived here over there at the Caribe Tours station, and then I'm a lucky man. I have only hand luggage and one another small bag, and I will just walk to the beach now. Here's I don't know, Parroquia San Antonio de Padua, and there's un hombre muy santo, a holy man, and a holy girl, and that is very good. Una iglesia, and since I'm Catholic, I say only in nomine Padre, Filio e Spirito Santo, and in Espanol in nomine Padre, Filio, Hijo e Espíritu Santo. Ahora vamos a la playa. San Antonio de Padua. Me gusta mucho here this. Muy bien. That looks like a Catholic church. Okay, let's go now. Thank God I'm only having hand luggage here. My fantastic Samsonite. And now I'm going to the beach. And there's a paloma. Una paloma. And un colmado. Okay. Thank God I've been here before, so I know everything. Thank God I have been here before, so I know everything. I need a drink now at the beach. Temperatures maybe like 35 degrees or 32 degrees, I have no idea. Something like that. And here's the entrada when you come from the Caribe Tours bus. Here's the entrada of the Playa Sosua. And now let's go. El presidente. So now later we will see if my Samsonite will survive this trip here at the beach. But I'm sure it's no problem. Here's the toilet. Ven. Sí. Hola. ¿Tienes un Cuba Libre? Sí, por favor. Oh, un gatita. Oh, un bebé. Baby, hey. ¿Cómo estás? So klein, eine kleine Katze. Muy pequeño. No, I want to be here. Es bueno. Hey, du kleine Katze. Du Baby. Du bist eine ganz kleine Katze hier. Du bist eine ganz kleine Katze. So thank God my first Cuba Libre on this day. At the Playa de Sosua. Prost. Have a look. Und wieder die kleine Katze hier, mein Gott. Du bist so eine kleine Katze, ne? Ja, wie heißt du denn, ne? Du kleine Maus, ne? Ja? So eine kleine Maus hier. ¿Cómo se llama, eh? Baby, ¿cómo se llama, eh? Miau. Miau, ¿eh? Hola, Miau, ¿cómo estás, eh?
A tú ahora te dicen volver a nacer. ¿Qué
Mucha suerte. Viel Glück, ne? ¿Qué pasa, eh? Kleine Katze, eh? Ay, ay, ay. Das ist dein Baby hier? Das ist dein Baby hier? Jetzt eine kleine Katzenfamilie, ne? A small cat family. Oh. Muy bonito aquí, ¿no? La playa. So, before I bought this drink here, that was 150 peso. I gave 250 peso tip. And before in the house in the Puerto Plata, I gave 1,000 peso tip. I didn't film that, but I had two rooms there, one for the family, one for me. And I gave 1,000 peso tip because it was an amazing place. And now I'm here at the Playa Sosua with my Cuba Libre. And I'm walking now to the Pedro Clisante. There are almost no people here. It's all closed here. Today is Tuesday afternoon. Almost no people here. So beautiful. And in this direction there's the Puerto Plata, the big mountain. There the teleférico, the cable car is going up on the mountain. I don't know if I will go there, maybe, tal vez, you know, say. No, I'm going to the Pedro Clisante, the Corazon de Sosua, to the heart of Sosua. Thank God I only have my small handbag here and my mochila, my rucksack. And now I stop filming again. Later, the next scene you will see is I'm filming again. But I will be walking a bit now. Very beautiful beach here. As you can see, there's almost nobody here. Now it's Tuesday, 1 o'clock, 15 minutes, and there's nobody here. On the weekends, absolutely different. But it's very good here now. When I was last time here, last year, I had a food from Fast Freddy's, but I took it over there, and I think they were cooking here. But I'm now going directly to the Pedro Clisante. Mucho calor aquí. It's very hot here. But here, this food from this bar here, Fast Freddy's, very good. Can only recommend. Here is a German bar, Alemann. Gulaschsuppe, Bratwurst, the soup, sausage, curry sausage, otro, muchas cosas. But I'm going now to the center of Sosua. So I was here before at this restaurant Montanara. Montanara, they have German food there, but today they don't have what I wanted. And here's the Banana Mama. Banana Mama Beach, but I still have my drink here. I'm coming here tomorrow. So now I'm here in the Banana Mama bar. And I ordered another Cuba Libre, but I want to have it in my plastic copper here, my plastic cup. And I will eat later. The girl is now getting some ice for me. Some yellow. So before I met the guy Alfonso, I paid some lunch for him last year for 150 euros, not euros, Dios Padre, 150 pesos. And I gave him 200 pesos now. I didn't film that because I'm one hand in me camera and another my glass. But the Swiss bar is closed now at the moment here. As I was here 1 year ago, and I'm still walking back to the. I'm still walking to Sosua, the Corazon de Sosua. Hola.
Hola.
¿Très bien? ¿Todo très bien?
Sí, todo está bien.
Sí.
¿Pero banana?
Gracias. And now I'm still walking to the center of Sosua. Now another drink here, another bar at the entrance of the Playa de Sosua. And the blue bar is aquí, and aquí is la playa. So here is the entrance of the beach. And I was before here at this restaurant or bar, the Edward Cigars, and got another Cuba Libre, 150 pesos. And now I'm walking to the Pedro Clisante. I need to do some exercise because I'm a fat German pig now. Okay, I'm filming later again. The Pedro is pissing there. The dog is pissing at his quad. Oh, the Pedro is discapacitado. Okay, vamos. So here this is now the entrance, the street to the Playa Sosua. Here is Osteria Toscana and un mucho concho, another mucho concho. And mucho calor, it's very hot now. This is now here the Pedro Clisante. Dios Padre. I should be, no, I should be, I'm a very happy man now. But it's so hot, no? Una via, one-way street, Pedro Clisante. So I'm now here in the heart of Sosua. And now we are going to the German restaurant. And let's have a look if the food is good. It's very hot now here. And before I was like 2 hours in another bar and there was total fiesta, total party in the bar. But I didn't film that.